Welcome to Ayurveda. Today I am going to discuss about what are the tests for detecting poison. Nowadays, the modern techniques are there for detecting poisons, but during a 200 BC, our great Acharya Charaka has described how we have to test a poison. So we will move to that. Charaka is telling, if the poisonous food, if we are going to throw the poisonous food on our fire, then it gives a shigar bahir vichitra. It gives the color like a variegated color, or we can say the color of a peacock's feather. Then dhuma. Dhuma is that there will be an tishna, very sharp and intolerable and ruksha and very putrefying smell will come out through that. Then if we are putting that poisonous food over a fire, we can hear a cracking type of a sound. We can hear a cracking type of a sound. Also, the fire, it will move spirally and it will get extinguished by its own. Then, if we are taking that particular poisonous food in any patra, in any vessel, what will happen? There will be a formation of discoloration, vivarnam bojyam. Then, if it is the particular patra or particular container we took, that poisonous vessel, if it succumbs some flies, what will happen? That flies will die. Then, if poisonous food or the poisonous items if seen by any birds, especially kaka, if crow, if it is seen any poisonous food, what will happen? Its swara will get reduced. Okay, its voice will get hammered. Then, if seen by any birds, their eye color will change. Their eye color will be changed. Discolored eye will be seen. Next, if we are mixing a poison into alcohol or such drinks, what will happen means the particular drinks will get a bluish color and the person is not able to see their shadow over there. Then, in that particular drinks, especially alcohol, if it is poisonous, if we are adding a salt into it, that produce a effervescence, that is phenomena. That is, to produce effervescence means it to produce a sound with a fourth. So with the sound it will produce a fourth. So through that we can understand that the particular drinks is poisoned. So this is the visha pariksha told by our Acharya Charaka. Vishadhada lakshanas. That is what are the signs and symptoms of a poison giver. Okay, so those who are given poison to somebody, so what are the lakshanas will be seen in such persons. So Charaka is telling Atyartam Shangida, the person is more suspicious, extremely suspicious, and Bahuvak Alpavak. The person will be a more garrulous, or sometimes they will be speak very less. Then Vikata Lakshmi here. Vikata Lakshmi, the word Vikata Lakshmi here, Vikata Lakshmi, that Chakrapani is commenting on that word. He is giving the meaning is Na Shobha. There is a loss of a luxure. Next, Prakriti Vikaram. Prakriti Vikara is there is a total character of that particular person will be changed. Okay, the behavior and their mannerism is totally it is changed. And Ashtanga Hridaya in Sutrasthana 7th chapter or 12th shloka, Vagbhatta is very beautifully told what are the symptoms or what are the signs in the poison giver. So, Shava Shushkasyada, there is a dryness in their face. Vilaksha, the word Vilaksha, Arunatha is still giving the meaning as Lajjavan. Vilaksha iri Lajjavan. Means he is telling Lajjavan, such person will become Lajjavan. They are more shy or they are ashamed. Next, Vikshado Dishaha, Vikshade Dishaha. He is telling Vikshado Dishaha, the person will look here and there like aimlessly. And Sveda, there is a formation of more sweat. Vebadu, the person become more shiver, he will become shiver. Thus the frighteners, he will be having a fear. Then be the ha, he is more anxious. And Jrimba, there will be an excessive yawning also. These are what are the signs and symptoms that can be seen those who are ingested person. So Vishapira Lakshana. Shushruta in Kalpasthana, 3rd chapter, 35th shloka, Shushruta is telling, Savadam grahadumabam purushayo adhisaret. The person will pass a purusha or a stool, which is loose stool, that is, which is adhisara will be there, and the person will pass more vada, more flatulence out. So he will atyartham ushna, so there will be more hot tears will come out from eyes. Then vivarnada, that means discoloration will be there in their body. There is nothing but the prakrita varna of the thok will be changed. So discoloration. Then pidida, sada pididaha, that means the body malaise will be there, or some kind of a discomfort will be there, okay, in the body. Then ud vamathyada fena cha vishapidam tamadishet. Udvamatya, the phenum, that means the person will vomit. He will vomit, which is phena yukta. That means the person will vomit which is a more fourth and form contained. Next we will move to the what are the signs and symptoms of visha afflicted organs and personal effects. Under this heading, first one is anjana. That means those who are using the poisonous collyrium or poisoned anjana, what are the lakshanas can be seen in such person? The first is ashrubadeha, that is a slimy lacrimation will be there. Then daha, there is a severely burning sensation in the eye. Vadana, pain in the eyes. Drishti vibhrama, there is a defective vision. Andhya, may the person become a blind also if person are using a poisoned anjana, poisoned collyrium. Next, if the person is using a poisoned labor, okay, poisoned cosmetic items. So what are the lakshanas can be seen? First one is mukashava. There is a dryness and discoloration, everything can be seen in the face. Then yuktam abhyanga lakshanam, the features of poisoned massage can be seen. Then Padmini Kandaga Upachiyade. There can be an eruptions will be there on the face, like the eruptions like a Padmini. Padmini is lotus. So the lotus. So there will be an eruptions we can say. So there will be an eruption can be seen. The next is third one is Paduga. Due to a footwears. First one is Shobha. There is a swelling. Srava, there is an discharge. Swabaha, there is a numbness. Svota, there is an eruptions. Next is, last one is due to bhushana. If the person is using a poisoned ornaments or poisoned abharana, what are the lakshanas can be seen? First, in the abharanas, there will be hadachirshan and navibandi. Hadachirshi, that means there is a loss of their brilliance, and there is the abharanas or the ornaments will not shining, it will not shine. So this all are the lakshanas can be seen in the abharana. In the person, such abharana, if he is using a person, what are the lakshanas can be seen in the persons like daha, paka and daruna will be there. Daha, burn sensation will be there. Paga, suppuration will be there. Dharana, there is a tearing type of pain also will be there. So these are the lakshanas can be seen. So this is the reference from Shushruta Kalpasthana, first chapter, 69th shloka. This all we can give a general medicines, but Shushruta is mentioned for each and everything as separate medicine. So generally for all this such kinds of lakshanas, in generally we can give Mahasugandhi Agada. It is a type of anti-poisonous formulation. We will see in the later classes. Then it can be given as a pana for drinking we can give and make kashaya and we can give for drinking. Also we can apply a leba also. The affected part we can apply a paste. And also we can give this one for nasya and we can use as an anjana also. So for this due to anjana, we know poisonous, if using a poisonous anjana, the person will exhibit these all lakshanas. So for cure that we can use Mahasugandhi Agada Anjana we can use for such condition. And we can use a leba for due to application of such cosmetics, the person will exhibit these all lakshanas. To reduce these lakshanas, we can use Mahasugandhi Agada as a leba. Okay, so Mahasugandhi Agada can be used in the form of a pana, leba, or nasya, or anjana. Okay, based on the affected part, on based on the condition. Virechana, Vamana, and Siravada also can be used based on the lakshanas. Vamana, Virechana, and Dosha Visheshan. Vamana, Virechana, Siravada karma can be used, and the drug Ajaru. The drug Ajaru also can be used. It is act as a Raksha karma. So we can tie the herb Ajaru on the wrist of the person. It acts as a Raksha karma.